Greetings. Welcome once again to Creepy Ghoul Vision. I am Creepy Ghoul, your host. Today, I've got not one, but two HELLS Headbangers unboxings to do, showcase for you guys. One of these packages here, I ordered pre-COVID or amid the COVID in the very beginning stages as we know it. And one of them I took a chance on ordering during COVID. Both of them took a while, but got them. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxings here. But first, Baron Samedi Rum, because the TV said so. Baron Samedi Rum, because Creepy Ghoul said so. This is one of my favorite spiced rums. Check it out. I've got a YouTube video on it from way back when. This is like a mini bottle, which I just recently found at my local LCBO, and I had to have it because it's such a cool mini bottle. Usually they come in like the big bottles. I think the 750 ml bottle. This is a 375 ml. But yeah, Baron Samedi Rum. Check it out. It's a great spiced rum. They call it the voodoo rum. So let's get to it. And it tastes great on the rocks. All right. Oh yeah, it's been a while. So yeah, Baron Samedi Rum. Here's to ya. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's get to the first unboxing. This was the first one I ordered. Shit. I gotta get an unboxing tool. Give me 1 sec. Good old X-Acto. Okay, so let's check it out. Been waiting for this one for a while. Alright, so let's open it up. Just got these in the mail over the last week or so. Love the HELLS Headbangers packaging as always. That's one thing you can't complain about is their packaging. You know, and their shipping is really fast too. I mean, despite all the bullshit that's been going on in the world, I mean, still this arrived in a decent, timely fashion, I gotta say. But usually the time's like cut in half for their shipping. It's awesome. Okay, so let's check it out. Tape this shit up really good. Ah, yes, okay, so before we get to the loot, the background audio that you hear, I just got this actually from a very extremely good friend of mine. The band is called, the project is called Shadow Wolf, all one word. This is the new demo that he put out. It's a one-man band. Really good shit. Check out Shadow Wolf. Raw, primitive, underground, no bullshit. Just raw black metal. Right here in Toronto. To Shadow Wolf. I session drummed in that band for a bit too. Okay, so got like 3 items here. They're all like taped together really good. Damn. As much as I'm complaining about the excessive amount of tape, No pun intended. You gotta hand it to HELLS Headbangers, man. These guys know how to package up a shipment. No question about it. This one's, wow, really packaged up, really good. So let's check out the first item I got here. I had to scoop this one up before it was gone. I think it's already gone. Would have loved to have had the authentic original from the 80s, but you know what? An authorized official reissue is just as good in this day and age for a band like this. There we go. Pronounce it how you want it. I've always pronounced it sarcophago. I've heard sarcophago. I think the band even says sarcophago. The first album, In Re, brutal freaking black death metal from Brazil. I don't know how it gets any better, man. Seriously. Brazil, I believe 1987. Yeah. The In Re album on cassette. Oh yeah, you can enjoy that. And okay, so here's the gem right here. Holy crap, this is packaged up really good. I'm not complaining, but I gotta carefully open this one without damaging it. I know this one will be hard to come by in the future, in the very near future, if we survive COVID. I've already survived. Okay. Okay, so here it is right here, folks. I've been waiting to get my hands on this gem. It's the sarcophago. Cassette. Oh, God. It's probably my incense or something like that. Anyhow, it's the sarcophago cassette, demo cassette box set from Cogumelo. I can never pronounce that properly, Cogumelo, but you know what it is. We all know what it is. Okay, so let's check out this box set here. Really excited about this. Oh yeah, man. Yes. Wow, look at that. 3 cassettes, all the demos from the 80s. Let's check this out even further. Okay. So the box set comes with that piece of foam to separate the cassette so it doesn't roll around type of thing. But let's have a look here. So this one here, we have these cassettes actually are from the Die Hard LP, which came out years back. I have it, but now they've released it on triple cassette. All of the sarcophago demo tapes. They're supposed to sound really cleaned up and amazing, but still dirty at the same time, which is what you want. One of the cassettes, and yeah, it's just all labeled the same, but 3 different pictures. I don't know if you guys, how well you guys can see that with the glare, but this photo session for In Re was freaking sick, man. Spikes, leather, bullet belts. Oh man, you name it. Still an underground band, man. Sarcophago. Still a fucking underground band. Don't you wish Sepultura was as underground as Sarcophago? As underground as Sex Trash. That's another great Brazilian black death metal thrash band, Sex Trash. Check them out. The first album's called Sexual Carnage. Devastating album. Beyond belief, man. When I first heard that album, I was like, what the fuck? Okay, so there's the last cassette right there. Still wrapped in plastic. I'm gonna open these definitely and give them a play. That's for sure. Nice little box set of cassettes, demo cassettes. Awesome. Their demos were dark and dingy and crunchy and just like amazing. Nice artwork too. There's the back of the box. Oh, I'll put it upside down. It's got all the listing of all the demos there. Yeah, real cool. Sarcophago demo, cassette demo box set. Alright, well worth the wait. Okay, here's to Sarcophago. Yeah. Oh, speaking of Sarcophago, had to have this. Had to have this. Let's pop it open. I don't usually order these anymore, or buy these anymore, but I had to have it. They said it was an amazing quality, and I could look at it and feel it already, and that's top freaking quality. Check this out, man. The Sarcophago Inri banner, flag, whatever you want to call it. The size of that thing. It's very transparent, but you know what it is already. You get the picture. You've seen this picture a million times. And the back is just the negative of it, but yeah, that's it. Nice banner. Gonna go on my ceiling or something. Yeah, really good quality too. Like, I can't describe it. It's just really, really good quality. Not like your usual flags. This one's a little thicker. It's got the metal rings, which is really good because I wouldn't want to poke holes in this one. Yeah, really happy to have that. So yeah, this was a Sarcophago order. There we go. All right. Okay, so next thing I got for you guys, this box is a little heavier, so let's check it out. Okay. Okay, so let's get this one open. How you guys liking the sounds of Shadow Wolf in the background? Is it too raw for you? Too primitive? Too underground for you? .2020 black metal. That sounds like it came out in 94 or 95. Amazing shit. Amazing shit. Alright. Alright, so this one here is just, wow. It's a lot of tape. Okay, so let's get to it. Slice this open as carefully as I can. Bubble wrap. Alright, let's see. Alright, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Alright, so this is my latest HELLS Headbangers order. Just a bunch of LPs. Okay, so let's get to it. But first, a word from our sponsors.
Hold the pickle, hold the lettuce, special orders don't upset us, so we ask you that you let us serve it your way.
That's right. Have it your way. Special orders don't upset us. Have it your way. Okay, so what do we got here? We got limited edition blue vinyl of Christian Death, The Iron Mask, featuring Roz Williams. Alright, so let's see. Oh, there's the back of the LP. I apologize for the glare. I don't know how well you're going to see that. Alright. Nice. Put out on the Cleopatra Records, of course. Don't know too much about this one. I know it's a bunch of different versions of their songs, like Death Wish, Skeleton Kiss, Sleepwalk, Spiritual Tramp, that Roz did, I think, while coming back to Christian Death, I think. But the versions on here are very different from the usual versions. Oh, check this out. That's cool. Inside the LP is a Christian Death show flyer. I believe that's a show flyer. Yeah. It's a flyer advertising the actual band. Really cool. Nice. Alright. Roz Williams is on the same level as, say, Jim Morrison, as Elvis Aaron Presley, the King. I'm telling you, man, Roz Williams was a fucking poet. And as usual, with Elvis Aaron Presley, the King, if anyone says anything negative towards Roz Williams, I will fucking flip, man. I'm telling you, the guy was a genius. He was a freaking poet. Just like Jim Morrison was. Jim Morrison was a freaking poet. Blue LP. Don't call it vinyl, man, as Bart Simpson would say. And Bart Simpson knows his shit, that's for sure. Okay, so there we go. Christian Death, the Iron Mask LP. Been wanting to get this for a little while now. Alright, now, and in the background we've got this post-punk goth rock band that I discovered over the last little while called Blind Seagull, out of Russia. Like a three-piece chick on drums. Good shit, man. Blind Seagull. Here's the Blind Seagull. Alright. So, the next thing I've got here... Actually, I'm going to do this one first, because the other two go hand in hand. The Lord Diabolus. You already know. This is I don't know if you want to call it a Beherit side project, or it's not even a side project, it's Beherit. This is early Beherit, nothing inside the LP, but there's the back. Okay. The Lord Diabolus, or Diabolus, however you want to pronounce it, you know what it is. You know who it is, you know what it is, okay? And classic black. And yeah, this is the Down There demo, which is the Beherit demo. He went by Lord Diabolus in the early days, just I think it's just one release type of thing. Actually, let's have a look at it. Yeah, there it is right there. Okay, I remembered. So, side A is the actual album, the actual demo. Really rough, really raw, really primitive, really dirty, basement quality, air conditioner in the background sounding black metal. The way shit should sound. And on the other side is the etched pentagram. Look at that. I don't know how well you can see that, but you get the idea. It's non-playable. Really cool. Alright. So this is a welcomed addition to my Beherit collection. Love Beherit. One of my favorites. Heavily influenced by Blasphemy from Canada, yeah. Okay, so the next one I've got, the next two go hand in hand. These just came in to the distro, and I had to have them. I had to scoop them right up before they were gone. So, from Brazil, once again, from the early days, we have Mystifier. Mystifier. And this is the Wicca album. And again, if you like bands like Beherit, Blasphemy, you'll really like Mystifier, Sarcophago as well. Early days of Brazil black death metal, really good shit. The insert is a compilation, photo compilation of the band. Lyrics on the back. And oh, nice band photo. Okay, heavily recommended if you're into that type of stuff. Let's check it out. What is it going to be? It's going to be black wax, classic black wax. Okay, the Wicca album, excellent, 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 excellent. Raw black death metal from the early days of Brazil. Okay, and the next Mystifier album I got was Goita, if I'm pronouncing it properly. Goita. Now these two albums here, Wicca and Goita, go hand in hand. Listen to them like back to back. This is a 2 LP Dark Infernal. Let's see if you can see the label there. I'll zoom in on the label. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it. There we go. But what does it say? It says here, Mystifier's opus Goita is arguably the band's finest moment. Pure abyssal Brazilian black metal is remastered in this 2 LP version. Listed by Decibel Magazine. Oh, fuck that. Who cares, man? Who gives a fuck what the magazines say? The zines are the only ones that matter, not the magazines. But anyhow, so let's see what we've got inside here. Oh wow, a bunch of stuff actually. So this is the record sleeve, the internal record sleeve. And oh, this is the other internal record sleeve, double LP. Got lyrics and everything. And let me guess, it's a poster of, okay, there we go. Look at that. Of the album cover, Goita. Okay, and what's the wax all about here? Oh, okay, cool. Like I don't know, red marble, black marble, vinyl. Oh, sorry, wax. It's the labels. Mystifier. And what color is the other one? Probably the same. Yeah, it is. Marbled, black and red marbled wax. Made of vinyl. Yes. Made of vinyl. Right. Okay. So there we have it. Okay, so Mystifier from Brazil. Here's to Mystifier from Brazil. Yeah. Okay. So that was the my latest HELLS Headbanger unboxing video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Lots of good shit here. Can't wait to start listening to them. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. Give me a couple thumbs up, will ya? Hit the bell for all the notifications. I know my videos are few and far between, but, you know, they're there. They're coming. And we'll see you on the next video. Alright? Alright, that's it. Take care.